So let's see if we can get just enough CSS from the static version to make the header look right. So I'm going to look at the static version in the browser. I'll inspect the H1, confirm, yes, indeed, that is an H1, and this is an H2. And we can see there are some styles applied, so we can go looking for those inside the source code to the static thing list. Let's look at static.css. Here we go, H1 and H2. Those seem like what we need. So I'm going to copy those two rules, H1 and H2 from static CSS. And I'm going to put them inside header CSS. And header CSS is already being imported in header.js. So save that. And we got part of it. The font doesn't look right, but it's yellow and big and has a shadow. So looking back at the static version again, at the very top, well, notice inside these rules, I have this font Chonburi and Biorhyme. And up here you'll notice we are importing some Google fonts, namely Chonburi and Biorhyme. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this import line and stick that inside header CSS right at the top. Pasting that into Slack for your convenience. And the font did change right as we did that. So now the header looks right. But we have this lovely blue background color behind the whole page. So check out static CSS again, and you'll notice the rules applied to body. It specifies the background color, no margin, no padding, and a fallback of sans serif fonts. Now that doesn't belong in header, does it? That should probably be in app CSS because that applies to everything. And we don't need any of these. We don't need any of these rules that are already in app CSS. So let's just replace it with our rule. Save it, and we get the lovely background color. Now we not only have a header, we have a beautiful header. Add header component and style.